How were the Lalibela churches built? Have you ever wondered how ancient structures like the Lalibela churches were created from solid rock? These remarkable churches in northern Ethiopia are not just buildings. They are masterpieces of engineering and devotion. Let's uncover the fascinating details of their construction. The Lalibela churches consist of 11 medieval structures carved directly from volcanic rock. Unlike typical buildings made from various materials, these churches were hewn from single, massive blocks of stone. This technique is called monolithic rock-hewing. The builders began by selecting a suitable rock mass, usually soft volcanic tufa or scoriaceous basalt, which is easier to carve. They measured and outlined the intended shape of the church on the rock surface. Once the design was marked, the workers started excavating downward, removing rock from the outside inwards. This method created the church's exterior walls and a trench that isolates it from the surrounding rock. As the excavation progressed, the builders carved out the interior spaces. They created doors, windows, columns, and vaults, often incorporating multiple levels. The interiors were adorned with mural paintings and architectural features that mimic traditional wooden and stone construction. Interestingly, the solid rock structure does not need supporting columns or beams for stability. The churches are interconnected by a network of trenches, tunnels, and ceremonial passages. Some of these pathways lead to hermit caves and catacombs. These connections not only provide access but also guide pilgrims through a physical and spiritual journey. Scholars believe that the Lalibela complex was built in several phases between the 7th and 13th centuries. Local tradition credits King Gebre Mesqel Lalibela with the main construction in the early 13th century. The churches were designed to replicate holy sites in Jerusalem, serving as a substitute for pilgrimage destinations that were hard to reach at that time. From an archaeological viewpoint, the Lalibela churches representing a unique technical achievement. The precision and scale of the work required advanced planning and skilled labor. The builders had a strong understanding of local geology, which played a vital role in their construction. The churches continue to be places of worship and pilgrimage today, linking their ancient origins to their current religious function. Studying these churches offers practical applications, such as learning about ancient engineering techniques and the relationship between architecture and geology. The methods used at Lalibela, including the measure, excavate, outside, inside, and simultaneous excavation, outside-inside approaches, provide models for analyzing other rock-hewn structures worldwide. In essence, the Lalibela churches were built by carefully measuring, marking, and excavating solid rock to create monumental religious structures. Their construction methods and ongoing use make them a key subject for archaeological research and heritage preservation.